Think that turning off a setting in your iPhone stops an app from tracking you? Think again. There is a hidden button deep in your iOS settings that resets permissions you didn't even know were still active. Most iPhone users have never heard of this, but it is the single most important step you can take to reclaim your privacy from old, deleted, or ghost apps. I'm Akus from Loginhelps, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a smart privacy cleanup that won't touch your photos or your files. Let's get into it. Over time, we all download dozens of apps, maps, cameras, social media. Even when you delete an app, some of those permission traces stay buried in the system. These ghost permissions can lead to background battery drain and unnecessary data usage. Apple included a hidden option specifically to flush these old traces out, resetting two massive categories: location and privacy. And the best part? It doesn't delete a single photo, contact, or message. Follow these steps exactly. Open your settings and go to General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Don't worry, we aren't wiping the phone. Now, select Reset Location and Privacy. You'll be asked for your passcode. Once you confirm, your iPhone basically says, "Let's start over." Every app on your phone will now have to ask for your permission again the next time you open it. This is exactly what you want. Total control. After you do this, when you open an app like Instagram or Google Maps, you'll see that Allow Permission pop up again. This is your chance to say no to apps that don't actually need your data. It's a smart cleanup that removes permissions from apps you deleted months ago and forces current apps to be honest about what they're tracking. If you didn't know about this hidden button, then this video was made just for you. Hit that like button so more people can secure their privacy. Comment below, did you know about this setting, or is this the first time you've heard of it? And don't forget to subscribe to Loginhelps for more iPhone secrets that people actually use every day. I'll see you in the next video.